Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. Today we're at Hazebrook in the desirable village of Harbury, approximately 6 miles from Royal Leamington Spa. This is a unique 4-bedroom detached 1930s bungalow that includes a first floor bedroom with featured glass stairwell and balcony terrace. The property sits in a 1/3 of an acre plot overlooking an open green area called the Pound. Please come with me, let's take a look inside. There is also a newly built 680 square foot contemporary self-contained studio that is currently being used as a music and art room, but could easily be a home office or annex. Thank you for watching the video, and if you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.